XAI by Elon Musk just dropped the Grok 1.5 Vision preview, and it's competing up against the big titans such as GPT-4, Gemini 1.5 Pro, Claude 3, and Claude Opus. And it can read text. They have also introduced a new sort of benchmark which they are calling real-world understanding, for which they have provided examples and the benchmarks for that as well. And they have also given the dataset which they have used and what they are going to do in the future. Grok is their first generation multimodal model. In addition to strong text capabilities, Grok can now process a wide range of visual information, including documents, diagrams, charts, screenshots, and photographs. This Grok will be available soon to early testers and existing Grok users. Now, let's talk about these capabilities. And first of all, we'll talk about this sample example in which they gave a flow chart to Grok to read, in which it was a simple guessing game where the computer generates a random number and the user has to guess it. So the Grok looked at the image and generated this Python code. And the Grok responds that this code will run the guessing game as described in the flowchart. The user will be able to prompt enter the guess until they guess the correct number. So this is really fascinating, and I'm impressed by the Grok's result and its generative capabilities. Now let's see the next images, in which the data they have used is from their datasets which they have linked. You can check on their website. I will link the website in the description. Okay, so the first thing is which object is larger. So the option which the Grok was given are the pizza cutter is larger, the scissor is larger. The third option was they are about the same size. So the Grok guessed it that they are both the same size. As you can see, the pizza cutter and the scissor are of the same size. And now let's move on to the next example, which is this road image on which you can see as well. The Grok was given and you would ask that where we can go on the current lane. The option given are turn left, go straight, turn left, and go straight. And the last option was turn right. As you can see, we cannot go right, we cannot go straight. But I don't know why I didn't select the turn left and go straight. But the best option was to turn left, and it did that. And the similar is the next image, in which it was asked that given this front camera view from our sedan, do we have enough space to drive around the gray car in front of us? The option given are yes and no. As we can see, there is a lot of space here, and the Grok checked the yes option. And next one we have this dinosaur, and in the next one we have a mobile phone with compass on it on the ground and the dinosaur facing in a certain direction. The question or the prompt which was given to the Grok was, in which cardinal direction is the dinosaur facing? Option given are north, south, east, or west. It checked the south. As you can see, the dinosaur is facing in this east direction. The Grok outperforms this PS in new real-world QA benchmark that measures real-world spatial understanding. For our datasets below, we evaluate Grok in zero-shot setting without chain of thought prompting. Zero-shot setting or chain of thought prompting means that the zero-shot prompting you use LLM as it is in a domain different from the one it is trained in. So the Grok was given a simple line and he would ask the question which I have just discussed. Now let's see the benchmarks of the Grok against the titans such as GPT-4, Claude 3 Sonnet, Claude 3 Opus, and Gemini 1.5 Pro. In maths, text reading, and real-world understanding, the Grok 1.5 outperformed the all others, while it was performing close to the others in multidiscipline, AI 2D diagrams, charts, and documents. In maths, it was 52.8%, in text reading 78.1%, and in real-world understanding 68.7%, better than all the others. While in multidiscipline, the max performance was by Claude 3 Opus, which was 59.4%. while the Grok was performing 53.6%. In the AI 2D diagram, the max performance was by Claude 3 Sonnet. The Grok performed close to it, which is 88.3%, while the GPT-4 was way behind, which was 78.2%. That is 10% lesser than the Claude and Grok 3. In charts, the max performance was by Gemini Pro 1.5, which was 81.3%, while the Grok was at 76.1%, which is really close. In the document, the max performance was by Claude 3 Sonnet, which was 89.5%, while the Grok 1.5 performed close to it, which was 85.6%. So if we consider a small team and the resources, of the Grok compared to the big titans like GPT-4, Claude 3, and Gemini Pro. There are a lot of resources and energy and they have big teams which they are utilizing. And considering that the Grok is performing very well. And now let's move to the future point. They will be advancing both of their multimodal understanding and generating capabilities, which are important steps in building AGI that can understand the universe. It's obvious that we can only take benefit of the AI when we can make it understand the physical world or the real world. And we have seen that the Chinese are putting their so much effort into this, like the Ubitech robot, which recently got the Baidu's AI update, and similarly the robotics in the US are also putting so much effort into developing good models and the robots. And on their website, they are also hiring for the job. You can check that. I'll link the link in the description. Make sure to like and subscribe my channel, and also to check first link in the description, which shows how to build your personal brand and make money online, or how to start an online education business. And yeah, that's it from me, and I'll see you in the next one.